If you own a car, this video can save you a lot of money because many drivers make simple mistakes every day, and these mistakes slowly destroy their cars. Mistake number one, ignoring engine oil changes. Engine oil keeps your engine smooth and cool, but dirty oil causes friction and damage over time. Mistake number two, driving with low fuel. This can harm the fuel pump and pull dirt into the fuel system. Mistake number three, hard braking. Sudden braking wears out brake pads and tires faster. Mistake number four, aggressive acceleration. Fast driving may feel fun, but it puts stress on the engine and wastes fuel. Mistake number five, ignoring warning lights. Dashboard lights are warnings. Ignoring them can turn small problems into expensive repairs. Mistake number six, wrong tire pressure. Low or high tire pressure reduces grip, increases fuel use, and shortens tire life. Mistake number seven, skipping regular service. Small maintenance today can prevent major repairs tomorrow. Here is the truth. Cars usually don't fail suddenly. They give warning signs first. But many people ignore them until it is too late. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, your car will last longer, perform better, and save you money. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you. Which mistake have you made before? Tell me in the comments.